Dear students, how are you doing? Hope you all are healthy and doing well with life. Okay, uh, we are going to continue now the lesson of the demand. Okay, you remember that we said what is a demand. We explained this, and we explained also what is the microeconomics. Okay, what I would just want to review with you is the law of demand. The law of demand, remember, we said that there is a relation between the prices and the quantity demanded on any products in the market. Okay, so if the price is increasing, as I am pointing out now, up now, okay, then the quantity demanded also will be decreasing, okay, not increasing. As you see here, when the price was $30, okay, the quantity demanded is 0. Nobody is going to buy the product when it is $30, for example, okay. But when it went down only 5%, which is $25, also nobody wanted to buy the product. But when the price was 20, for example, if you see, the quantity demanded became 10%. Okay, type what when the price went down again to 15, then if you point out till A here, then the quantity demanded was increased into 30%. So the price is decreasing and the quantity demanded is increasing. Okay, all right, then when it was 10, it went to B here, to the point B here on the curve. Okay, so the quantity demanded increased to 50%. Okay, then when the price became 5, this is very low price, okay, then the quantity demanded became 80%. So that's why the curve, we said that the curve of the demand is sloping down. All right, this graph is very important, because if I am going to ask you, for example, I want you to draw a graph that illustrates the demand law, okay, or that explains the demand law. So then I want you to draw this graph. You're going to send it to me after you finish it up. Okay, so the relation between the demand law is between the price here, okay, and the quantity demanded here. All right, this is how it works. Okay, all right, then we said also, we mentioned something called the utility diminishing, or diminishing utility. What is this? It's the ability of buying even if the price is low. Sometimes you're going to think about the next product, okay, the number 2 product. Are you going to buy it still or not? No, sometimes you are satisfied with only one product. So the demand here is diminishing on the product, even when the price is low. All right, even if the price is low. Okay, these individual and market demand curves shows you what is, sorry about this, I don't know why it's appearing every now and then, but anyway, the individual and the market demand curves, all right, is showing at every point here on the curve that is sloping down, showing always the quantity demanded if you go down here, okay? Showing the quantity demanded at each point, at each price given, okay? At each price given, we have the quantity demanded is assigned here, okay? If you understand this well, all right, then I want you to draw your own graph that shows the relationship between the price and the quantity demanded and explains the law of demand. Okay, let's move now to the new lesson, which is factors affecting the demand. What does this mean? It means that we said that the relation is always between in the demand is always between the prices and the demand, the quantity demanded. All right, here we are going to learn that it won't be for all the time, okay? It will be for a period of time. Yani, for example, if the price is low, all right, then the quantity demanded is not going to stay for a very long time high or increasing. No. If you're going to measure it, no, it won't, because there are some outsiders or some factors that are affecting the quantity demanded always in the market. And these factors are in the the people themselves, okay, are the ones that sometimes it's from you, it's your satisfaction, your own satisfaction as a buyer here, okay, and sometimes it's an external effect. Let's try to understand it more and more, okay? For example, sometimes there are, if we are going to fix the price at 15, for example, okay, the quantity demanded is going to be 60%, all right? So here in this graph, it shows that the change of the price, okay, is and the quantity demanded is always they are affecting each other. But after a while, even if I fix the price at a very low price like 5, all right, the quantity demanded is not going to stay forever 15%. No, it's not going to, because there are things that are, as I said, affecting this quantity demanded, okay? Let us try to understand it together. For example, if you want to buy a t-shirt, then you're going to wait for the sale time. Why you're going to wait for the sale time? Because actually you're going to first, it will be a benefit for you, because we said that the income you have or the money that you have are resources, and always resources are limited, okay? And your wants and needs are unlimited. So you have to, the making decision here is very important. How you're going to decide to take the utmost or use the utmost of your resources, okay? So here we are going, in the example that I'm giving you now, you are going to understand how the income is affecting your purchase, even at a low price, even if the price is dropped, okay? You want to buy a t-shirt, you have money enough to buy even 2 or 3 t-shirts. So you went to Gap store and you found that the Gap store is making like a 50% discount. Okay, then you liked very much the t-shirt that you're going to buy with the quality that you want. But when you were checking, okay, the price here is very suitable, and you can buy, instead of one t-shirt, you can buy 2 t-shirts. But while you are searching for the second t-shirt that you're going to buy, you will find that all the colors that you don't like. So you're not going to pay money for something that you don't like, for sure. What you are going to do is that you are going to be satisfied with only one t-shirt, and you will reserve your money to buy something else, maybe from another store. So here the demand is affected by the satisfaction of you, and also it is affected by your style and your taste, all right, because you didn't like the other colors. So the taste here, number one, is affecting the demand, the quantity demanded, even when the price was low. And number two, even if the price is low and you don't like the t-shirts, the style of the t-shirts, okay, you're not going to buy them anyway, all right? So the taste is affecting and the style is affecting, all right? Affecting what? Affecting the quantity demanded. Also, it's affecting also the satisfaction is affecting. Satisfaction, you're satisfied with one t-shirt, you don't want more than one t-shirt, okay? Maybe you need to buy another product with the rest of the money which will be useful for you. Like what? Like, for example, if you want to buy Snickers, for example, okay? So you have here, we said that what is affecting the quantity demanded even when the price is low, okay, is your taste, all right, and your satisfaction, your taste and your satisfaction, okay? So here are two things that is affecting the quantity demanded, because if it applies on one person, it will apply on many persons as well, all right? And that's why sometimes the shops, you pass by the shops and then you find written on the show window 50%, and then after 2 weeks or 3 weeks you find the sale went into 70%. What is the difference here? The difference here is that the owner of the shop must assign like a certain time period of time, and in order to measure the quantity demanded during that time, and if he found that it is diminishing, all right, diminishing over the weeks, so this means that a lot of people are satisfied with what they bought already from this shop. So what he's going to do is he is going to go down again with the price in order to attract more people to come, okay? And definitely these people are not going to be those who came 2 or 3 weeks ago. No, it will be new people, okay, that this decrease that happened in the price, the 70%, suits more their income, suits more their pocket, okay? So that's why they keep on changing every now and then the prices of the thing, or the sale, the percentage of sale on a certain product, okay, to increase somehow the quantity demanded, all right? by decreasing the price. Okay, I hope you do understand till now. Then we have another thing which is affecting also the another factor that is affecting the demand. What is that? Substitution. Substitution is, for example, if I want a t-shirt and okay, I like the product of مثلا Gap, for example, okay, but I found that Gap is the price, the sale price is 30% only, and I can't afford it because I have a limited income. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see something relative, okay, another shop with a higher even sale, okay, like 50% or like that, and you can find that this product this t-shirt is somehow close to the same quality of Gap, but it's not as Gap, لكن it's okay, it's almost the same. Like if I go to Zara, for example, okay, so Zara made the price lower than Gap. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to satisfy myself and I will go to Zara in order to have another to have a t-shirt that I want, okay, and at the same time I'm not going to be paying what more than what I'm going to pay in Zara, okay. So I'm not going to go to Gap, I'm going to go to, so the substitution here, this is, we call it substitution products, okay, which the substitution products here might higher the quantity demanded, all right, than other products, okay. So the substitution effect here becomes very affecting on the quantity demanded, okay. Also, sometimes, always the substitution, okay, is depending on the consumer's style, consumer's taste, consumer also tendency to replace the what you want, okay, in the market.